Okay, so you may have run into a problem where you've been working with a image and you've got the white around it, but you want to make it more translucent, especially if you're putting it on a shirt. There's nothing like, it's not going to look good, basically. So if you've got the white around it, let's just show you an example. We're going to take this mixtape here image, right? We're going to download it. And then what I'm going to do is go to my TeePublic. Now we're at my TeePublic page. We're going to upload the design. We got the mixtape. Show you what it looks like. You can see the white around the image there, which is in a lot of pictures. So let's go back. We've already downloaded it. What we want to do is open up GIMP. We're going to open up GIMP, and that's where we're going to grab the image. Now we're in GIMP. We're going to open. Just remember where you put it. Open. We're going to right click, go to colors, go to color to alpha, press OK. Then you want to export as, export, file name, already use it. Yes, we want to replace it. Export, close it out. They'll say, do you want to save the changes? Okay, save the changes. So now when I go to TeePublic, you can see the little white around the picture here. Let's go back, upload. Now we should have the new image without the white background. Boom, there it is. And you can see there's no white background. You can change the color of the shirt now. Just depends what you want to do, but that's how you get rid of that white background and create that transparency. So hopefully it made it easier for you.